is Nur Akila binti Nur Azman and my number entry is 2023115573.
My name is Shazana binti Shahani and my metric number is 2023389643.
My name is Nadim Abdul Hamid. My matrix number is 2023513837.
My name is Muhammad Harisufan bin Azhari. My student ID is 2023389779. Okay, firstly I will start with the project background. So basically, investment in properties, gold and cars is critical for investors, businesses and households, impacting financial strategies significantly. And also understanding the factors influencing investment decision in these assets is essential for optimizing portfolio returns and managing risk effectively. So following the economic conditions, market trends, investor behavior and also regulatory frameworks significantly influence the nature and viability of investment in properties, golds and cars. Property investment involve considerations such as location, market performance, rental yields and growth potential, according to Yang and Timmermans. And also according to De Grande, gold investments are driven by economic turmoil, inflation hedges and geopolitical risks, alongside price trends and microeconomic indicators.
So for the problem statement of this project is first, we can determine optimal allocation strategy, which is investor encounter challenges when determining the way to distribute the investment. So which is more properties, goes cars in order to diversify, increase return and manage risk effectively. Second is to struggle predicting future performance, which is one common struggle for investor is accurately predicting the performance and value. So which is the fluctuation of properties, goods and car. This uncertainty often lead to difficulty in making investment decision, so which is can result in the optimal outcome. So the objective of this project, we have three, which is first is to collect comprehensive user data to understand the influence on investment preference and decision. Second objective is to develop an expert system using Prolog that accurately predicts suitable investment options based on the collected user data. And lastly is to evaluate the effectiveness of the expert system through user testing and feedback.
Okay, for the system significant, we have one of it is personalized and investment advice. So the system can provide a personalized investment recommendation based on the individual profiles, considering the factors like income, age, gender, job status and marital status. Next is the accessibility and ease of use. The system interact with user through a simple question and answer format, making it accessible even to those with limited financial knowledge. And other than that, we have knowledge representation and logical reasoning. So Prolog's inference engine can derive conclusion from the provided data, enabling the system to suggest the most suitable investment options. And for the next one, we have financial literacy. The system can serve as an additional tool educational tool by guiding the user through the investment decision process, thereby enhancing their financial literacy. And lastly, we have the scalability and flexibility. The system knowledge base can be expanded to include more investment options and detailed criteria, making it adaptable to changing financial landscape.
What is our project scope? Okay, firstly, we will develop an AI-based system to forecast investment in houses, gold, and cars. We also will collect and clean historical investment data and also create defining investment features. And next, we will implement predictive models tailored to each asset class using machine learning. And we will also optimize investment strategies with integrated risk management tools and an intuitive user interface for input and output. And last but not least, we will integrate all components for seamless functionality, validate through proof of concept testing, and support with documentation and ethical considerations.
Next is the flowchart of the system. So for the flow of the system, the user will be greeted with a welcome message, so that they will be asked to input their income, their age, gender, their employment status, and marital status. So based on the data the user input, it will be categorized into 3 different investment that we choose, which is car, gold, and properties. So from the flowchart, if the income is within 3,500 and 7,000, with the age is above 25, and the gender can be either male or female, and the job status is employed, and for the marital status, they can either be married or single. If those condition is met, the system will generate information, and you should probably invest in properties. But if no, they will go to the second selection, which is the condition is income is within 0 to 5,000. Age is within 18 until 27. Both gender can be either male or female, and they can be either employed or unemployed. With the same for status, marital status, they can either be single or married. If the condition is met, the system will generate information, and the information is you probably should invest in gold. If that condition is not met, they will go to the last selection, or the last condition, which is income is within 1,500 until 3,700. Age must be above 20. Gender can be either male or female. Job must be employed, and marital status is married, can be either married or single. If the condition is yes, is correct, the system will generate information that you probably should invest in car. But if the condition is also not met, then the system will generate no suitable investment found.
So next for the source code, as you can see here, this is the entry point, and the start predicate is the entry point of the program. So first it prints a welcome message and some instruction, which is a welcome to the creation of investment system. And then the instruction will be please answer each question. Next, it then call various predicates such as income, as age, as gender, as job, and as marital status. So for the so these predicates prompt the user to input their income, age, gender, job status, and marital status. The read one predicate is used to read the user's input as income, income, prompt for and reads the user income. Same goes to age, gender, job, marital status, and marital status. So each rule specific condition for the recommendation. First, for properties, for user with an income between 3,500 and 70,000. Age 25 or older, employed, and marital status is marriage and single. So for the goal, for user with an income between 0 to 5,000, age between 18 to 27, any gender, any job status, and any marital status. So for the curve, for user with an income between 1,500 and 3,700, age over 20, any gender, any job status, and any marital status. So next, for the output and decision, after gathering the user's input, the start predicate calls the investment predicate to determine the suitable investment. If an appropriate investment is found, it prints a message suggesting the investment. If no suitable investment is found, it prints the message indicating that no suitable investment was identified. So here is so as you can see here is the overall flow of the program. Start the program, print a welcome message, ask the user for their income, age, gender, job status, and marital status. Then system will gather the input to determine a suitable investment based on predefined rules, and then the system will print the recommend investment or indicate that no suitable investment was found. So this is the output for predicting the goal for a 23-year-old single male employee with an income of 3,500. The system recommends investing in gold. So for a 29-year-old single male employee with an income of 2,700, the system recommends investing in a car. Last but not least, for the output system recommendation for investing in properties for a user, a 47-year-old married male employee with an income of 56,000, the system recommend investing in properties.